Well, the garbage hasn't come yet. We'll see what time they hit. Man, I'll tell you what. I could never be a carpenter. Yeah, these shelves came out great, but they were measured twice, cut 5 times. they were they were bad. I just can't do it. I can't even drive a nail. Nailing on this back of the dresser, I'm glad they give you like 3 times as many as you need because I'm not exaggerating. For every one I put in, I bent 2. I don't know why. I just have never mastered the skill. Well, I just learned another lesson. With it being a nature preserve, there's tons of critters around. And you don't put out bags outside the can unless you absolutely have to. Now I gotta clean up a mess. Damn it. I have to say I like the old garbage schedule better, coming in the middle of the night so nothing's sitting out. So let's head out, get a haircut. I'll try the barber right at the end of my street here in our local shopping complex. And then I gotta go find the DMV. And then I'm gonna stop at Lowe's real quick for a couple small things. I wanna get a soft close toilet seat because the wife is just slamming it down in the morning. And I forgot my snips, my pruning shears at the old place. I can picture them. They're hanging right up in the corner of the garage. I just forgot to grab them. There's definitely some things I need to prune right away. There's some bigger branches pushing up against the screen around the lanai, so I want to get those all off so I don't have any holes. Cool stuff in this little complex here right at the end of the road. Really nice grocery store. Lots of salons for women, but only one here for guys. Well, it's good enough for now. Had better. The only problem with these big chains is the only people working there are young women. You know, they do a good job, usually fresh out of beauty school. But I'll take a haircut from an old man over a young woman any day. I'll try another barber next time. All right, this is stupid. I'm at the DMV. Got to go run home. If you do your thing online, they don't require anything. You just process it. Do it in person, they require 2 different pieces of mail from 2 different senders with the new address on it. Why? You let people do it online without proof. You should allow them to do it here also. I tried it online, but they've got the security questions messed up. One of them was, I can't remember if it was a previous address or a loan, I don't know, but it didn't match any of my stuff. So I said none of the above, and it said, you're locked out. That's wonderful. So I came here. Anyway, back home to grab some mail. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, 3 tags, new license, new voter ID card, all done. Now before it gets insanely heavy with all the drawers in, slid it into the bedroom here. Just cut out little pieces of cardboard, put them under the feet. Slides, no problem on the wood there. Plenty of room. Still got nightstands going in. There's about 4 feet to the end of the wall here. Nightstand should come out 1.5 feet or so. Plenty of space here to stand next to the bed. Pull out the drawers. No problem. That fits nicely. Still nice and wide. Still plenty of room over on this side to walk through. Get into the bathroom. Can't wait to get all this mess cleaned up now. Now she has no excuses. She'll get home today and be able to put everything away and stop putting stuff on the floor. This is how the house used to look. You know, with dressers and with full closets. She had 3 closets full of crap. Just stuff on the floor. Women. You know, women say men are pigs. No, women are disgustingly dirty. Bathrooms especially. I do not like sharing the bathroom with her. I had my own bathroom in the old place. She had the master, built that to whatever she wanted, and then I just took the guest bathroom. Just used, a little bit of the counter space. And I hear more stuff coming to the porch. No doorbell, of course. Really, dude? What the hell is with the no ring in the doorbell? Oh, this will be fun to watch. Oh, that's how they do it. That's cool. Didn't even get out for the bin. 1 load. 2 loads. Made it. Not bad. All right, so this big box should be our new coffee table. It's a marble lifting table, a lot like the one we had, but the old one was wood and just didn't go with the new decorations at all. So this one will fit in nicely, but very heavy. And then this is the second patio set, just the couches or the love seat and chairs. And that I do not remember what it is. Oh, should be one of the guest room comforter sets. Well, that made a pretty good dent in the garage, getting rid of all those boxes. I got a quarter of the garage space back. Now I can at least get bins down and look through them pretty easily. Won't be able to do this big stuff for a bit. The new chandeliers and the clock. Clock will be pretty easy. Chloe, making a mess. One drawer done, and I just heard a thunk. Yep. More boxes. I do not remember what this stuff is, but I'm gonna wait till the wife gets home. I need her help taking some of this big stuff out back to get it out of here, because I need to clear this as soon as I want it done by the time she gets home so she can help me carry this stuff out. I need to put it all in here temporarily because I need to get this painted first thing and then finish the touch up in the living room so we can get the couch and this chair out of the hallway, have it completely clear, because tomorrow all the IKEA delivery stuff comes and that's gonna just stay in here. And then as soon as they're done, I'll be able to paint the office, set that up, get that situated, get a computer back. I'm really lagging behind on work. This phone's great, but it is no replacement for a computer, let me tell you. Killing me. Well, I admit when I screw up. I put it in the second drawer and it had a weird gap. It just wasn't fitting right. Well, it turns out that long piece that I cut that I thought was too long was not too long. What happened was I put these brackets into the support using the wrong holes. You can see some of them use this hole here and some use the hole on the end. I put these in here because that's kind of where they naturally lined up, but I need to use these holes up here. So once I took all those screws out, it released all the tension, and now I can slide it over to the right position, and that puts all of that exactly where it should have been from the start. So now I just need to put these in their correct holes and we'll be good to go. That's better. Nice and flush. All done and just in time. Wife will be home any minute. That looks real nice. Matches our other one, and our nightstands are the same matching family. And it actually goes with the headboard really well because it's so dark espresso brown. It looks black. Looks nice. I've got a few scratches I need to take care of that I noticed in the carpets here. Floors. These here. They're actually scratches, little gouges, but they're not deep. So I think I can get that wood color stuff, like it's almost like a crayon, to just fill in the lines there. It should disappear. And then I've got another one. There's one here too. And the one in here that the movers did when they put down one of the bed frames. And I know it was from that because I just gently moved them out of the way and it was right under one of the steel corners. So not a big deal, but so far those are the only blemishes I see in the floor. Anyway, right now I'm going to finish clearing out the dining room, and then she can tape that. I can get this painted tonight and get the second coat done in the living room, and then continue with the plan. That should finish it off today. All right, let's see what's in these just so I can figure out where I need to put stuff. Aha, well this one will actually be pretty handy. Turns out it's really difficult to sweep up all the debris, especially the sanding fine dust I'm making. So we're trying out this supposedly really highly recommended vacuum. And this one is indeed one of the guest room bed sets. Aha, all right, actually been waiting for these. I got some, they're cabinet organizers, kind of like closet organizers, but they go under the bathroom sinks. And this is to basically double the usable space under there so the wife can put more of her crap in there. So I'm gonna take these out. I don't think there's any assembly to do, but that's cool because that'll let her finish up what she wanted to do in the bathroom tonight, and I don't know yet what's underneath there. Ah yes, stepladder. Absolutely needed with the freaking kitchen cabinets. I can't even touch the top shelves. So this one has a nice 350 pound capacity. We looked at all of them at Lowe's and Home Depot and they're all crap. They hold like 200 pounds, absolutely useless. So Amazon to the rescue. Yeah, so these will be really easy. Basically just screwing into the sides of the cabinets real quick, and it's just a couple drawer rails. It's all on a mounting system, and then they can slide in and out, so you're not down digging in the back of the cabinets or anything. Actually, really good construction. Solid. It's not the cheap aluminum and plastic stuff. Not bad at all. Not very expensive either. There's a stool. Very impressed. Very sturdy. It's a Von Haas. Rubber padded feet. No wiggle. Fairly lightweight, even though it's steel. Maybe 7-8 pounds. Nice comfortable padding. All right, that should last. This is getting ridiculous. Leaving to go get dinner. More boxes. Yeah, you tell him, Chloe. 1:35 in the morning. I just got the trim in the hallway and the dining room done. Oh man, that was a pain in the ass all around these columns, behind the columns, the windows, all inside, all around the door. There were just so many parts that I had to do by hand because they were too small for the roller. Oh, now for the quick part. Oh man, I got a drip there. Fix that and then start rolling, along with a couple walls I want to hit there again. Oh. So I came out in the garage so I can talk because the wife is in bed sleeping. All right, a couple observations. I've painted a couple days now with a different brush. I had, for the first few days there, a Purdy 2.5 inch and worked great. No problems with it whatsoever. Just got gunked up. You know, I did clean it every day, but it just had so much use and build up that it wasn't giving me a crisp, clean line. Some of the bristles were kind of going all over the place, and there were some, you know, hard bits hanging on here and there, and they'd start to spread. So, you know, it just wore out. No big deal. While I was at Home Depot last time, I picked up their best brush, this Valspar. Same type, same size, 2.5 inch. Let me tell you what, if you have a choice between the two, get the Purdy all day long. They're about the same price, they're about 10 bucks. Oh my God, what a difference. Number one, the Purdy holds a lot more paint. Almost twice as much application per dip. That's very noticeable. So you're going into your pail a lot with this Valspar. Secondly, it flows the paint better. This kind of lets it go real quick and then just kind of starts fading, where the Purdy gives you the paint all the way to the end and it just stops. But most importantly, the Purdy is a lot more ergonomic. My hand right now that I'm holding the phone with is so swollen. I mean, I've been dipping it in a pitcher of cold water every half hour or so and just, you know, getting it to free up. I'm taking a ton of ibuprofen, and it's just because of this damn brush. The handle's very narrow. It's straight. It doesn't have anything ergonomic about it, whereas the Purdy has a thicker, rounded, bulbous, there's a joke there somewhere, very easy to hold handle. So I'm going to Lowe's tomorrow, throwing this thing out and getting me probably 2 more Purdy brushes, and that should last me the rest of the project. Now I gotta go in and roll. That's gonna be another hour, but that's, you know, very easy compared to all the trim work, and my knee is just screaming right now from just up and down and it's popping and ooh, it hurts. It's very swollen and I can't wait to just get this night over with. I'm gonna probably be in bed about 3. IKEA called and they're delivering tomorrow between 11 and 3 p.m. So I'm gonna try to get, you know, a little bit of sleep, maybe up at 9 or 10 instead of 5 or 6, and just wait for them to get here, finish, and then I'll go do my stuff. And I don't know what's on the docket tomorrow. I doubt I'm gonna do any painting tomorrow because it's gonna be a cluster F with just boxes and crap, and you know, I'll have to figure out what I need to do first to get stuff out of the way and where I can put stuff. But I need to 100% finish this tonight because that room is where everything's gonna go tomorrow. Okay, let's finish it up. Oh boy. Done. Oh, it does look a lot better, I have to say. Look even better when it dries. Whew. And I got the living room done too. I also applied more texture to that shelf repair spot. Should look a lot better. Okay, that's it. Good night.